These human hands can do many things. Apart from eating and doing physical work, they are capable of doing many, many things. If you bring your energy system to a certain way or to a certain level of vibrance and intensity, then you will know that hands are great instrument. In yoga we say, the ring finger, from here to here, you can control the whole universe. It is everything. This is like the mouse for your computer. Here, you can just adjust your system whichever way you want, if you know what to do. Don't go about rubbing this, it won't work like that. If you know what to do with this is like the mouse to your computer, you can take it wherever you want. You can just activate your system whichever way you want, just by handling the ring finger. So hands are capable of doing many things, apart from eating and doing physical work. That is a whole science attached to it. It would be too much to explore in a situation like this. Now, just turning your hands around, you're just changing the way you breathe. This is not just about your breath. The very way the fundamental energies function, this and this, it's very different. Just this and this, it's very different. Hands are an instrument like this. How many times in a day, unconsciously, are you doing this? Whoever asks anything from you? You know, in India this means no. You keep on doing this and you hope to be peaceful and joyful? Life doesn't work like that. If you do this, you'll set your energies into turmoil. Peace, 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 it won't happen, you'll only rest in peace. Really, it won't come. This is like you got into your car, you don't know what the pedals are. You just kick any one of them whenever you feel like it, according to your music rhythm. You know what a jerky driver you will be? Please see, your well-being has been very jerky, isn't it? Yes? Your well-being has been very jerky, isn't it? Your peace, your happiness, your everything is jerky, just like that. Any moment it'll crash, any moment it'll come up. Now, you can make these hands in such a way that if you move it here, something will happen in another part of the world. You can make something happen somewhere else, totally somewhere else, wherever you want it, pinpoint it. Because these hands are the instrument to everything, this is like the control panel to everything. So either you keep this as a small little human being, or you enlarge this into a tremendous possibility, whichever way it is, still the control panel is here. So in a way, to open up your body, to open up this human mechanism to many possibilities, ring finger is significant. If you want to open up a person to become your bride or groom, then you put a ring on their finger, on the ring finger, isn't it? In some way, people open up. Somewhere they understood that if you do this, certain things will happen. So they use this particular finger, nowhere else. Of course, now lot of new agey people are putting a ring upon their thumb. It's a very wrong thing to do, you will attract certain kinds of energies which you can't deal with. And it also stabilizes the system. If you put metal on the ring finger, it stabilizes the system. There are many, many other dimensions, but to put it in a generic way, it is like a remote to open up the dimensions of your own body. Without opening this up, there is no cosmos. Without opening your eyes, there is no world, isn't it? If your eyes were always closed, there is no world for you. So similarly, without opening up this system, There is no cosmos for you. So the ring finger is not really about the cosmos, it is about this system, the human system, human mechanism. If you open this up, then there is a cosmos. The cosmos has always been there. It is just that you did not open for it. Ring finger, if you know how to use it, which will take a certain amount of whatever, don't do that in meditations, don't sit like this. It will dissipate your energies in many different ways. Best to use yoga mudra or open hands. Don't use the ring finger because that will need a completely different kind of instruction and training.